Okay, good vibranium, but he left. Where does he pearl to?
Who knows? Niggas fucking phasing. D-hopping.
Where?
Phasing.
Just fight him. And he's back. Does he have a gap on? Where does he go? Did you actually record it?
Yeah, he's fucking phasing.